How many principles of analytical graphs exist? A 3. B 4. C 6. D none of the mentioned. The correct answer is 6. Which of the following technique comes under practical machine learning? A. Bagging. B. Boosting. C. Forecasting. D. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is boosting. Which of the following technique is also referred to as bagging? A. Bootstrap aggregating. B. Bootstrap subsetting. C. Bootstrap predicting. D. All of the mentioned. The correct answer is bootstrap aggregating. Which of the following is characteristic of raw data? A. Data is ready for analysis. B. Original version of data. C. Easy to use for data analysis. D. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is original version of data. Which of the following is not a step in data analysis? A. Obtain the data. B. Clean the data. C. EDA. D. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is none of the mentioned. Data products shown in the below figure is built using which programming language? A. S. B. Python. C. R. D. Java. The correct answer is R. Which of the following principle is incorrectly represented in the below figure? A. Show comparisons. B. Integrate evidence. C. Describe evidence. D. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is none of the mentioned. Standard normal RVs are always labeled as Z. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is false.